Every time we come to a lesson number that's divisible by 10, it's another milestone. After today, only 50 more lessons to go. And we are done with math forever and ever and ever, except for next year and for several more years, taking up many, many thousands of hours in your life. Well, anyway, okay, let's talk about multiplying fractions a couple of ways. We've been doing this all year long, so this won't be anything terribly new. So we can either do a fraction two ways. And don't forget, you don't care about common denominators when you multiply. It's just when you add or subtract, right? So you can go straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. Then you look at this and you go, okay, well, that's divisible by 3, both of those. So that's going to be 2 times and then 5 times. There it is, 2/5. Okay. Or you could just look at this and go, okay, well, I'm going to knock out the 3's. One's on top, one's on the bottom. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I don't need to multiply stuff by 1. The numerator is a 2. The denominator is a 5. 2/5, just like we did it. So you can do that all kinds of ways, all right? And again, this is why you want to know your times table. So you see a 56 on the top of a fraction, and over here you see an 8. Immediately your brain goes 7. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 7. There you go. You don't have to make that noise. In case mom walks by your room or something like that, and you're doing math, and she walks by and she hears, what was that? Anyway, just doing math, Mom. Okay, let's try a couple of these. Simplify first, piece of cake. 5's go away, 1's on the top, 6 is on the bottom. All right. If somehow you forgot about that, you could go still straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 5 is 30. You reduce the fraction, right? 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 goes into 36 times. Done, right? Let's try another one. Simplify this, okay? By the way, let's make a guess, right? About 1 times about 1 is about 1, right? It'll be a little more than 1 because you're not just doing 1. You're doing 1 and plus a little fraction. But it'll be probably between 1 and 2-ish, something like that. So let's do this part first. 1 and 1/9. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10/9 times, I'm using a dot. 1 and 1/5 is 5 times 1 plus 1 is 6/5. Now, you can either, I would just reduce this. This is way easier. So let's go 10, of course, goes in, or 5 goes into 10 twice, and it goes into 5 once. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 6 2 times. Nothing else you can do, right? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 divided by 3 is 1 1/3. So our answer is correct. Our estimate was between 1 and 2. There it is. Now, if you didn't see 10/9 times 6/5, you would just go 10 times 6 is 60. 9 times 5 is 45. And you could go, 60 divided by 45 is 1. And then 15/45, because 60 minus 45 is 15. You could go, wait a minute, 15, what goes into 15 and 45? Oh, I know, 5. It goes 3 times into 15, and then 5 goes into 45 9 times. And then you go, oh, wait, 3 divided by 9. That's 1/3, and just what we did already. So easier to chop that stuff down before you do any the other way. So, okay, one more, pause it, and you give it a whirl. Okay, what I would do, of course, is you go 5 6. It's going to be times 2/5. 5's go away to bye-bye fraction happy land, wherever that is. 2 into 2 goes 1 time. 2 into 6 goes 3 times. And then, of course, your answer is 1/3. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's try the practice problems. And that is on page 371, so pause it and give A a whirl. Okay, 3/5. Okay, give B a try. Just 1/2, right? Okay, give C a try. 4/5. 8 over 10 goes down because they're both even numbers. All right, give D a try. Right, D, what you should have done is written 9/4 times 4 over 1, which will give you 9. Because the 4's cancel, it's 9 divided by 1. Okay, pause it and try E. E should have 3/2 times 8/3. That goes into 4. 3's go away. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Give F a whirl. F is 10/3 times 9/4. That chops down to 7.5 or 15/2. All right, give G a whirl. G should be 2/5 times 3/2. You cancel and it gives you 3/5. All right, give I a whirl. Excuse me, that's H, my bad. Yeah, H will be 8/9 times 3/2, which will give you 4/3. 8/9, just in case you want to see. 8/9 times 3/2. 3/3, that's going to be 1 there. That'll be 3 there. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and that's all you have left is 4/3. Okay, last one, I give that a whirl. 9/10 divided by 6/5 is the same thing as 9/10 times 5/6, and that'll be 3/4 because this goes away. There's 2 there. You have a 3 and a 9 3 times, 3 and a 6 2 times, 2 times 2 is 4, and top is 3. So hey, after today, another great milestone, 10 more lessons in the can, out of there, only 50 left in the entire book, and then no math for the rest of your life until the next time for the rest of your life that you do math. See ya.